Hello YouTube, this is ahjteam. So in this week's tutorial I will show you what some minor room treatment can make to your drum sounds. So I was recording a band this weekend and we were recording drums, and at first we set up the mics and then we listened how it sounded. And we had no baffles or gobos in the room, so the Finnvox B studio, the back wall is all bricks, so it's a very hard sounding room and has a lot of reflection, and it sounds like this. And then we thought that the amount of hi-hat that we got from the room mics alone, we decided that we will rather deaden the room just a bit so that we can actually control the amount of hi-hat we get to our drums. So we put two big walls that were soft and two smaller ones between the drums and the room mics, and then we pointed the room mics away so it was getting the reflection of the room, not the direct sound of the drum. And it sounds this. So, I hope you found this tutorial video interesting. Thank you for watching and make good music. Also, please subscribe to my channel.